Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass Google verification on Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. Alright, as you can see, the device is locked with the password, with the normal screen lock, and also with Google verification. Now let me show you how you can bypass it. So first we need to check what is the version of our phone, the software version, because this method works with Android 16, but we need to have the security patch until December 2025. If you have a newer version than December, it won't simply work, so have that in mind. Now, how we can check it? We need to connect our phone into our computer or laptop using the USB-C cable. So let's connect our phone. Now, we need to hold power key and volume down at the same time until we see the Samsung logo. When it appears, we need to quickly switch the combination. We need to start holding the power key and volume up, and then we just need to hold the volume up. So let me show you. First, hold power and volume down, keep holding until the screen turns off. Okay, now quickly switch into power and volume up. And now release the finger from power key, but keep holding volume up. Thanks to that, we will open up the recovery mode. We'll remove the screen lock right in here. It's pretty dark, but I hope that you can see it. Right in here, on that place, we have our version. In my case, it ends with CYJ5. And now, once we know our version, we can open up a new tab on in our browser. First type SAM M15 6B firmware. I highly recommend to use that page, samfw.com. Simply click on that. We have our phone, our M15. Now scroll down. In that search box, you need to type your country or CSC code. In my case, I have the European version, so I'll select the UIX, that is down below. Now scroll down, and in here we have all versions. And as you could remember, and as you could see even for now, I have the version that ends with CYJ5, and the security patch, we can check it right in here, and my version is from October, so it will fully work. If I would have the version above from 2026, it won't work anymore. So once I have this version, it will work. Okay, so once we know that, now using volume keys in the recovery mode, we need to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking the power key, and click on wipe data. The process will begin. Okay. And now let's unplug the cable for now and click on reboot system now. Now on our computer we need to do some other things. Visit our page, HardReset.info. You can see the link right in here. And now in here type Samsung M15. Select the Samsung. Select bypass Google verification. And in here, we need to install the Samsung drivers. Click on that and click on download. And then SAM FRP tool. But before we click download, we need to turn off our antivirus. Don't worry, this app is fully safe. We need to turn off the antivirus because almost every FRP tool is recognized by every antivirus as a threat, so that is why we need to turn it off for now. Of course, later you can turn it on back again. I'm using the Windows Defender, so I need to click on Virus and Threat Protection, then find Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage, and turn off the real-time protection. When it comes to me, I already have turned it off. Now, we can click on Download, open up the File Explorer, go into Downloads, and we need to extract the Samsung USB drivers. So right click on it. You can use WinRAR, simply select and click on extract to. If you don't have a WinRAR, you can click on extract all and then click on extract. It will also work. Then open up the folder with the drivers and launch the app. In my case, it's already installed, so I won't repeat the process, but in your case, after the installation, I highly recommend to restart the whole computer so every driver will work properly. So, once we have downloaded and installed the drivers, now let's do the same with our FRP tool. We also need to extract it using the WinRAR or extract all function. And now, let's open up our FRP tool, select that .exe file, the app will launch, click on more info and run anyway. Okay, now on our phone, let's click on start, select your language, click on next once again, select that you agree, click on next, click on setup manually. We need to connect to the Wi-Fi, so select the available network and type password to it. Click on connect. Now you'll have to wait a little bit. It is necessary. Click on next. Getting the phone ready. We cannot do anything for now. We just need to wait until this loading screen is finished. Also, I highly recommend to use high quality USB-C cable. If you have the original cable, it will be the best. But for now, we don't need to connect our phone. We need to wait a little bit until it's finished. So we need to keep waiting, but we can get ready with the cable. We can prepare it. Okay, it's taking longer than I expected, but I think it should be finished. Okay, it tells us that we need to draw the pattern, but when we click on use Google account instead, we can see that we have our Google verification. So now we need to connect our phone into our computer using this USB-C cable. Okay. And now let's also open up the device manager just to make sure, and we want to check that we have the Samsung modem. Yeah, here it is. It's really important that you need to see your Samsung modem, and also the as you open up the portable devices, you can see the Galaxy M15 writing here. It is really important because without it, it may not work. When you see it, everything is fine. Okay. And now, once everything is properly and successfully connected, simply hit this button, Unlock FRP. Now click on Continue, device connected, analyzing security batch, and now we just need to simply keep waiting until this process is finished. It might take a little bit, so simply be patient and wait until it's finished. Okay, we are at the level of 70%. We are almost done. You can see that the phone has rebooted. So we need to keep waiting. It is really important that you cannot unplug the cable from your phone during the whole process, because it will simply stop. Okay, 80%. The phone has turned on. Don't click anything. We just need to see in our FRP tool that it's finished, so don't do anything yet. Alright, operation successful, device unlocked. Now we just need to wait until our phone turns on. Okay, it says 100%. Let's wait until the phone turns on. Okay, operation completed successfully, 100% ready, so we can unplug the cable now. Everything went fine. Now I'll show you that we don't have any Google accounts remaining on our phone. Okay, it's loading. We should see our home screen. I mean the setup process. And now I'll show you that we don't have any Google verifications anymore. Simply select your language, click on next, select that you agree, then click on next. Set up manually, and we can skip the Wi-Fi for now. Then click on next, skip, more, accept, agree, next. As you can see, we don't have any Google account. Verifications, we can click on home, and the phone is ready to use. Also, if you want to have 100% sure, you can perform a reset one more time right now through the settings, just to make sure that everything has been removed. Also, I will show that when we go into Google, we don't have any Google accounts right in here anymore. And also, as we click on accounts and backup and manage accounts, every Google account has been removed. If you want to perform that reset that I was talking about like 10 seconds ago, click on General Management, click on Reset, and then Factory Data Reset. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.